Hi guys, welcome back to Jayla's Play-Doh. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I have this huge, Today I got this huge box with me, Pudgies. And I put my Play-Doh inside. So let's see what's inside. Let's see what color's inside. The colors that I had last time, it's inside. In the dark in there. So I'm gonna throw the Play-Doh inside the box. Hold on. Let me set the camera. Okay. All just Play-Doh. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm gonna push the box far away, so I'm not cheating. And I'm gonna just try to see if I can throw this Play-Doh inside of the box. 3, 2, 1. Starting with purple. I hit it inside. Let's see what Let's see what Play-Doh I'm gonna be opening today. Yes. If I miss it, then I'm not. Y'all already saw the colors, so I'm just having fun with the Play-Doh. Yes, I did not cheat. I got all the 6 Play-Dohs inside. Okay. Y'all gonna tell me what color is y'all favorite down below. And it's going to be down here and below. So we have purple, white, blue, red, yellow, green. Tell me what's your color down below. My favorite color is like this color. Cause it's my favorite. So now I'm going to go deep inside. Woo! Guys, I am like legit. So I'm gonna close the box with Play-Doh and try to guess what Play-Doh is gonna come out. Okay, I closed the box. So I won't say I won't. No, I'm cheating. And put the camera on top. Y'all can't see me. Y'all see up top. Okay? Y'all can't see me. Y'all cannot. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Y'all cannot see me through this thing. Because I'm going to be down low. Y'all have to guess what color I'm going to pick. Goodbye. I'm going down. I'm going down. Look. What color do you see, guys? I'm not in there. So, I'm going to pick like and what color y'all enjoy? Okay. Whoa, guys. What? Okay. I'm going to be hiding Play-Doh. Madison, go in the room so I can have the Play-Doh. Okay. So I have 6 Play-Dohs to be hiding. First, this red one. Okay. Put one of Play-Doh in the deep freezer. Okay. This way, I know what has the screen. Be able to see it, guys. She's just gonna walk past it. She's gonna walk right past it. Okay, now it's yellow. Put it in. Put it in the stroller. Put it in the stroller. This thing. Put it in the stroller. So Madison don't see it. But, okay, I have more colors left to hide. 3 more colors. Okay, 3 more colors. One more left, Madison hide, then you get to come out. I'm gonna tell you when to come out. Green back there. I don't see that green back there. See somebody's right there. Right there. Staircase. Back. That's it, you can come out now. Okay, I hide all the I hide all the Play-Doh, so go find it. Here go the camera. Hi, I look like Trinity. Trin. I found a Play-Doh already. I love Play-Doh. She used to have stuff about white Play-Doh. I'm hiding from Trin. I'm going to hide the camera right. I think she also had to hide stuff in the stroller. The yellow one must be in the stroller. Huh? Yes, I was right. She always had the yellow one in the stroller. Okay, let's go. I have 3 more to find. Guys, I found my Trin's favorite color, purple. I need 2 more to find. Okay. So, I went right past this green. One more. That must be the be in the deep freezer. We need the red. It must be in the deep freezer. Okay, guys, I was right. I found the red in the deep freezer. Okay, Trin, it's my turn to hide the stuff. Okay, go in the room, Trin, while I hide the stuff. Okay, I'm gonna be hiding the stuff first. I'm not. Okay, time to go hide her favorite color, purple. Now I'm hide the blue. Blue is my favorite color. This color blue is my favorite. I know what my favorite color. Back here, anyways. I don't see from there. 2 more to hide, Trin. Okay. One more. This white one is really Dad's favorite. So, Dad, where to hide your favorite color? Come here. I know where to hide my favorite color. Where? Okay, Dad is telling me on the side. Hide his favorite color. Trin, you could come out now and find them. Okay, camera right here. I'm gonna put the camera where Madison had it. Okay. Now I think one is in the stroller. Found red. She might. I found 3. 1, 2, 3. I found yellow, white, green. I think something might be in the deep freezer. At this time, guys, I see a purple in the huggy box. I'm gonna get it. Huh? Something straight. Find blue. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count. Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Madison, go in the room. Go hide. I'm gonna hide them real good like that. And then, should I hide them real good? Should I over here? Alright. Madison, find things. Okay, first thing I'm gonna hide. That what I hide color. Okay, Dad told me where to hide his favorite color. Which is gonna be behind the speaker. Behind the speaker. Yellow. I'll hide it. Between the couch. I see that little dent between the couch. Right there. Okay. Now, 4 more colors left to hide. These 4, I know what to hide. One more to hide. My favorite color is purple. Purple. Go find them, Madison. Madison good at this challenge. I'm good. One. That's a damage. Where did you hide the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more. And behind here. Okay, guys. Hope you like this channel. Bye.